Hey, let's together perform exercise number 1. Measurement of the ambient temperature in the office of Ardastra in Moscow, Russia. Used PLC will be controller Delta Electronics DVP12SE with added I/O modules. IP address of the controller will be that. And on PC, we need to show the data from the temperature sensor thermocouple type K connected to the first input of the model. The measured temperature is contained in register D0. And in order to go to degrees Celsius, it's necessary to divide the contents of the register on 10. Let's load trace mode ID of the basic version. Using the icon located in the upper left corner, create a new project in the easy style. Development of the project begins from the layer Sources Receivers, where we describe the controller's register in order to read measured temperature. For this purpose, let's open the context menu by right-click and select Group PLC, where let's create subgroup Delta, where we will create the necessary components. So, after creation of the new component, let's open it by double-clicking to edit. Change name to temperature and fill tab parameters. Serial port not used, 0. Station number by default, register number 0, register type data file register, direction input, and in the field extra, let's type IP address our controller. Then Delta Group move to node RTM1 by using drag and drop mechanism. Well, select group Delta Group in node RTM1 and by using double clicking open channel temperature on editing. Set up flag enable in section processing and value of the attribute multiplier set up to 0.1 in order to read data from PLC as degrees Celsius. Okay, the channel base was completed, and now let's create user interface. Select the root group of our node and with double clicking open screen on editing. With the main menu item view, open screen arguments. Now, in order to display the temperature values necessary to create argument in the according tab. Let's using mechanism drag and drop our channel temperature to argument tab. Well, it's true, because measured value of our temperature in degrees will be in the calculated attribute real value of our channel. Show the data will be with the help of graphic elements, text and trend. We will place the required graphics elements in the editor position and set sizes. Text, trend. Again, with the mechanism of drag and drop, consistently link our argument to the text and the trend. For trend, change color of curve to red and pen width to pixels. Save on disk performed work with the name exercise 1. Use this icon. Save the project for the real-time monitor. Now, in order to launch our project, under Control Special Real-Time Monitor that came with the development environment, the so-called profiler, choose the node RTM1 in the project tree and press this icon in order to start profiler. Using the same icon, launch on execution profiler. So, on the screen we can see a value of the temperature in current time in our office. 22 degrees Celsius. In order to change the temperature, we will try to hit the sensor element by fingers. Okay. We have good communications with the PLC and the temperature is displayed correctly. Hence, we are using a free version of SCADA Trace mode successfully perform connect to PLC and got the correct data for the ambient temperature in Moscow. And now the same project must run you. We hope that your result will be the same. Now we stop the profiler and this movie is finished. Thank you for your attention.